how can you create better quality videos, or how can you high quality videos on your iPhone? How can you make your iPhone setting to the best setting of your iPhone version camera? And how can you just take your 100% efficiency from your camera on your iPhone? So this video is all about iPhone video quality setting, and this setting is will happen only inside your camera application on your iPhone. There is no extra setting for this. So start this video from here. Welcome back to the channel again, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and keep watching this video till the end to know anything or any more about this camera on your iPhone. Click on the right bottom of the screen called camera. Swipe to the video second on the left. Here you will see an option on the right top that is HD and 30. That 30 is your frame per second. You just have to convert this to 60 fps by clicking on that. It will make your video more stabilized than 30 fps. You can also change the video resolution or quality like this. This is 4K and 60 fps. This is HD and 60 fps, and this is HD on 30 fps. You can just do all the setting from here. You can also switch on your flashlight from clicking on the left top of your screen, that is setting or flash option here. You can also zoom inside that from clicking on this zoom icon. Whenever you will click it, you can just zoom the video from here. So these are all the settings in your iPhone which you can use and create more far better videos just from your camera. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again in the next and the best video with all of you. Keep watching, keep loving.